Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with a quick update of Skeem Saam. Remember, I've not been watching Skeem Saam because Jozi, understand, as much as Northwest Mara, Jozi Irimponing. Okay, fine. The reason why I stopped watching it was the cheating Yagama PC and whatnot, right? And I know that because it's her, it's not gonna end well for her. You know, in Tibos' season of cheating and wanting open relationships, and it was still good because Tibos was a spoiled child and Mapiti was desperate to be Mrs. Maputla still. Now, Tibosi is the best thing since sliced bread. Hey, Ukai is behaving. The whole of South Africa is feeling sorry for Tibos. We don't care if it's just a storyline or what. We're feeling sorry for Tibos. We want Mapiti to be caught because this whole thing Mapiti le Thomas Iberek Sibizan Topiti. I buzake. Ugel what is sabotage. I'm sure get very lento bang iPhone. Then she made sure that she plays their argument on a line. Yes, the whole of Tafelwerp heard, except of course who? Thabo Maputla. So Thabo Maputla is being told by that engineering guy that they are working with, that Tsotsi a character. If I were you, I would not be showing my face in public. After your wife has just declared on national radio, Berry FM now, the hot topic is Mapiti and DJ Thomas. So if you don't know Pitomi or Topiti, you are in trouble. Guys, I am glad that the secret is out. My heart could not handle it. I was having heart palpitations day in, day out. Now the truth is finally out. The question is, will Utibos be the man that he believes he is by standing with Umapiti through these hard times? Because remember, Umapiti got tempted like Utibos did. Umapiti wanted to explore like Utibos did. What Mapiti is doing right now, it is an understandable language to Utibos. The only difference is that Utibos is currently not doing the same thing that Umapiti is doing at this point in time. So, do you think this marriage would stand the test of time? Or do you think Uguti Meiki Maputla will make sure Uguti it is finished? Tell me what you think. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.